Welcome to all of you. I welcome you all for learning ICT tools and Priya Talks Educated Tools. The video is meant for short videos going to facilitate teachers, students, and parents. This is the logo of Edmodo. See here. The short videos are prepared and shared through YouTube to make you people ready for post-lockdown to engage students using Edmodo. This is the one tool which helps to teach, to give online assignments, to conduct online tests with e-documentation purpose, which leads to paperless documentation. You can teach from anywhere. You can engage students anywhere. We can share the material for online teaching, learning. Come, we shall see the next slide. To be familiar with the few ICT tools, I am sharing via Priya Talks Educated Tools. To know about the importance and advantages of using ICT tools listed under the banner Priya Talks Educated Tools, these are the objectives I'm going to share. And at the same time, to train the teaching staff who are unaware of using ICT tools for developing e-content using the information and communication technology tools. At the same time, to promote cordial relationship between teachers, students, and parents through better performance of learning experience and teaching strategies. At the same time, the teaching strategies which become working strategies. So why ICT in teaching learning process? Why Priya Talks Educated Tools take this topic? ICT tools for teaching learning process is traditional teaching is rejected by even teachers, parents, students. They need something beyond the teaching learning, traditional teaching learning. So ICT tools facilitate teachers and students, as you all know. So only I'm posting, I'm sharing my knowledge via YouTube. You also keep on looking for content. ICT tools enhance the knowledge of the students when they are supported with multimedia information. So ICT tool number one, Edmodo. What is it? How does it work? How to use this? You'll see in the next slides. This is the logo ICT tool number one, Edmodo, for Priya Talks Edmodo. It can be downloaded from Play Store. After downloading, please create an account using your Google account or Facebook account. It can be accessible from your laptop, mobile, tab. After creating your account, please check email ID, which is linked with the Google or Facebook. If you have received your mail in primary inbox, it is okay. Activate your verification email, or else please check your spam inbox. So after creating your account in Edmodo, it will be asking you for activating your account. It provides three options. I'm a teacher, I'm a student, I'm a parent. Teachers, please use I'm a teacher. Then inform your students to go and choose I'm a student. After creating a class for every individual class, share the same link with the group code to the parents. So choose create class after activating your account of Edmodo with the registered email ID. Choose create class for all the courses you handle. If you handle 4 subjects for the next academic year, create 4 different classes. After creating class, it will be disclosing individual class code. Note down the group code and inform it the students for each course. Now it is ready to share e-content, to conduct tests, to collect assignments. We can upload and share presentations, Word documents, images, handwritten notes, podcast, play on demand MP3 format. It's not a difficult term. Play on demand cast, podcast, video on demand cast, web links, course plans, circulars, notification, any intimation you can share via Edmodo. It becomes proper professional documentation. This is the Edmodo homepage. See here, it has 3 accessibilities for teachers, students, and parents. So now I am enrolling into Edmodo as a teacher. See the number of classes already I have created. Now let me show you how to create course. So here you have to click the plus button, you will create a class. After creating class, you will get a group code. You can start posting information, collect notes, online assignments. See here, online assignments are shared. Advantages of Edmodo. It is easy to access and to share the e-content easily to all students at a time. When you post something in Edmodo for a particular class, it takes the responsibility and sends notification via email to the registered email of the students and parents. You don't need to provide personal WhatsApp number if you think that people will be disturbing you, students will be disturbing. It is not safe for communication. When you post something, either it is audio, assignment, intimation, notification, circular, e-content, study material, the intimation is immediately sent to students' email also. If parents are connected, their email also get notification. The Edmodo helps to conduct online MCQ test, which saves time of faculty to evaluate as the system evaluates and provides marks. Students may be permitted to submit online assignments from their own pace anytime. Maybe a written assignment may be taken as snaps and converted into PDF using CamScanner or any other PDF converters. We can ask students to submit audio assignments from newspapers, from a page of a book, by reading a lesson from a chapter, 20 formulae from mathematics, video assignments. They may say, you can ask them to submit 15 seconds video assignments, 30 seconds video assignments by reading a page, by reading an article on a particular topic. You can ask them to prepare and share PPT. PPT for 11th and 12th students, those who are willing to prepare projects. Stay home, stay safe, never stop learning. Keep engaging with Priya Talks EducaTech tools. Thank you.